guys, welcome to the fort of Shweta Does It, hashtag #BiceBall. Today we're going to be doing something very simple but very beautiful. We're going to be fashioning a tassel charm out of just colorful threads and needle. So let's begin. So the tassel is going to be 1.5 inches long. So I simply cut out a piece of cardboard to that length. If you don't have access to cardboard, you can simply use a regular newspaper and just fold it in fours. Take the thread of your choice, hold it like this and wrap the cardboard with it. I'm going to stop now. I have wrapped it around the cardboard approximately 300 times, which should be enough to give you a good bushy full tassel. We are now going to just place it together. Take a needle and thread. Take it under. We are just going to simply twirl it around and put it in place. Just remove the needle and tie it up tightly so it holds in place. Now that the bunch is secure, we are going to remove this from the cardboard. Just bend it and remove this. The secure part, hold it together like so. Take your same thread and just simply wrap it around. It's done now. I'm just going to cut it, and the thread that you have under here, we're going to cut it in the middle so that it opens up completely. I'm just going to comb it out and I'm going to trim the edges. And my tassel is ready. So we are just going to recreate the same in other colors. I have chosen these. This is the color scheme I'm going for. So let's see how to string them together and make it a proper charm. This is my arrangement. This is going to be the order of my color. So I've taken a needle and thread. We're going to now string them together, starting with the lowest. You need to open it up from under. Find the middle spot so that it is neat and clean. And pass it through the center. Take it out. The second one, and repeat the same process till you reach the topmost tassel. What I've done is I've taken the thread around and just secured the last part multiple times and just put a knot in the end. After you're done with that, just brush your layers through so it just looks neat. The tassels are now ready. The last step is to add a loop here so you can attach it to anything. Before we do that, I'm just going to add a couple of pearl buttons to this. You can skip this step and directly make the loop as well. I've just added 2 beads to just show you guys. Now the final part is to add the loop at the head. From the second tassel on, we're just going to insert needle from the middle through the head and then to the white. Take it out. Insert it back in right where you brought it. From under the white. We are going to keep a 1 finger gap. This is going to be my loop size. I'm going to repeat the same 2 more times. I finished looping it twice. I've just taken the last thread down and I have secure the loop by tying it to the third tassel. That way you know for sure it's never going to come out, and I'm just going to cut it out. The alternative to this is you simply take your keychain and attach this to this, secure it forever, and then you can just carry it around. So my tassel charm is ready, and I have used this as a keychain. You can add to your bag or wallet or anything else at all. So here you go, a simple tassel charm out of just a couple of colorful threads. I hope you loved it, and I hope you enjoy making it as well.